Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to design a WhatsApp chatbot to collect customer feedback for an e-commerce store. Suppose you run an online clothing store and you wish to gather post-purchase feedback. Manually collecting feedback can be very exhausting. So we are going to automate the process using Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automatically gather feedback on our behalf. So if you wish to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, let me take you to my screen. This is the chatflow that I have created to collect customer feedback for an e-commerce store. But before we learn how to build it, let's first see how this chatbot works in real-life example. Imagine I run an online clothing store and I want to collect feedback from customers after their order has been delivered. So I have set up a WhatsApp chatbot that will automatically gather feedback post-purchase. Let me show you how it works. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp. Let's say I received my order. And immediately I receive an automated message that says, "Hi there, your order has been delivered to you. We'd love to hear about your experience with us. You are valuable to us. Your feedback will help us improve and serve you better. Could you please share your feedback with us?" I'm going to tap on sure as I want to share my feedback with them. Then it will proceed to ask me how many stars would you like to give us out of 5. So I'm going to say 4.5. It replies with a personalized message that says, "Thank you so much for giving us 4.5 stars. Your response means a lot to us." And then it will ask me to give a feedback. I'm going to tap on it and then it will ask me to write a feedback. So I'm going to write a feedback. "I loved your services, but I expect quicker delivery next time." And as soon as we send them this message, they respond us with, "We registered your review. I loved your services, but I expect quicker delivery next time. Glad you liked our services. We will surely improve. Thank you so much. Your response means a lot to us." So that's how you create this chatbot which automatically collects feedback and engages with customers. Now, to learn how to create a similar feedback bot for your business, let's head over to Pabbly's website. For that, you have to open a new browser tab and enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to Pabbly's main landing page. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. If you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free to create your account. Since I'm an existing user, I will click on Sign In. Once logged in, you will see a list of all Pabbly apps. To create a chatbot, we need to access Pabbly Chatflow. Click on Access Now, and soon you will land on the Chatflow dashboard. On the left side, there are a list of all the features provided by Pabbly. Go to the Flow section and then click on Flows. Now, to create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow will be created. Now, you have access to all the features required to build a chatbot from scratch. First, let's explore the message category, which offers several types of responses you can send. First one is text button. It sends a plain message with quick replies like yes and no. Next is media button. It shares media such as images, documents, videos, and PDFs. Third one is list message. It sends a clickable list of options for structured replies. Fourth one is catalog message. It shares a product catalog with users. Next is single product message. It showcases and sends details about one specific product. Next is multi-product message. It shares multiple products in a single message. Lastly, we have template message. It sends customized message from your side with predefined quick replies. This is especially useful for WhatsApp templates. Now, moving on to the action category. This feature helps us in collecting user details and creating logical workflows. In action category, firstly, we have condition. It sets conditions to control the flow based on user responses. Next is ask address. It collects users' full address and saves it in the contact field. Third is ask location. It collects the user's current location. And fourth one is ask question. It asks custom question and stores the answer. Fifth one is ask media. It collects media files like images or videos from the user. Sixth one is custom category. It stores custom information like name, field, or any other specific detail. Seventh is add tag. It assigns tags to the user for segmentation or future follow-ups. Eighth one is API request. It connects with external tools and pulls or push data through APIs. Ninth one is connect flow. It merges or link multiple flows to build more dynamic experience. Now that we understand all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow, let's create our own chatbot step by step. When we create a new flow, it's created under a default untitled name. So let's rename it to something more relevant. Here I'm naming it as Clothing Store Feedback Bot. Inside the flow editor, you will see this flow start feature. Under this, there is an option to enter keywords. Here, we can add basic keywords that will trigger the chatbot. For example, if a user types hi or hello, the chatbot will be activated and will start responding. Next, you see here's another option that says enter regex. We have this regex option which allows us to add more specific keywords in a structured format. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Then there is an option to choose template. If you already have created a template, then you can choose it from here. If not, then you have to create it, and for that you have to go to the template section over here, click on it, then choose explore templates, and from there you will see an option to create a new one. I already have created one, so I'm going to choose that one only. I'm going to choose this feedback template. Here I have added two buttons. Sure for users who are willing to share their feedback, and some other times for users who don't want to respond right now. Now we will create two specific responses based on users' selection. If they click on sure, we will guide them to the feedback process, and if they select some other time, we can thank them for their time and offer them assistance if needed. Now let's curate responses to these quick replies. If a user selects some other time, we will send them a polite message like that's okay, maybe some other time, have a great day. For that, we are going to attach this with a text button, and we are going to add a text that says that's okay, some other time maybe, have a great day. However, if the user selects sure, we will proceed with collecting their feedback. For that, we will go to the action features and click on ask question to ask a feedback question. Here I'm adding how many stars would you like to give us out of 5? So we are asking them to rate us. Now you can see there is an option to select contact custom field. To use this, we need to create some custom fields. I will show you how to create it, but before that we need to save our flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, we will go towards the settings section, and then we will choose this third option that says contact custom fields. Here are some default contact fields, and below that there are some custom contact fields. So you can add field name and add field description and create your custom contact field. Don't forget to save it before you go back to your flow. So I'm going back to my flow. And here I will select contact custom field as add. And here I will select format as number. Now it is asking us minimum number rating and maximum number rating. So in minimum, I'm adding 1. And in maximum, I'm adding 5. Next, attach the quick reply to this question box. Next, we are creating a response to their feedback. So again, I'm going to add a text button, and here I'm typing, thank you so much for giving us $add stars. Your response means a lot to us. Here, I've added $add because it will be automatically replaced with the number of stars the user selects. So for example, if the user selects 4.5 stars, this add will be replaced by 4.5 stars. Now I'll add two quick reply buttons. Give us a feedback. And another one I will add, no, that's all. This one is if the user wants to provide written feedback, and this option is if they don't want to continue. So if the user selects no, that's all, we will clone the same message we used earlier for no and attach it here. This one. Like this. And if the user selects to give us a feedback, then we will add a question box and ask them to write us a feedback. Attach it. In custom field, I'm going to add and this time I'm using any as format. Once they write us a feedback, we are going to send them a thank you message. Here I'm adding, we registered your review, $add, glad you liked our services, we will surely improve, thank you so much. Your response meant a lot to us. As you know, this ad will be replaced by the customer's feedback, and this is how the feedback chatbot is completed. Now you can create your own feedback bot using the same procedure with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.